Society, a place for better learning. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos. Today's our session is about break and continue in Python. So, where do we use break and continue? Generally, we use inside the loop these statements. So, let's see how to use them. In Python, break and continue are control flow systems used in loops to modify the loop's behavior. That means if you use a break statement, it is it is used to exit a loop prematurely. That means the loop is completely exited. When break statement is encountered inside a loop, the loop is immediately terminated and the program continues with the next statement of the loop. Let's see the example. See here, in loop we given break, which means for I in range 1 to 10. So I is from range 1 to 10. We given the condition here like I is equal to 5. Sorry, when I is equal to 5, then if this statement is correct, then break, print I. Now let's run this code. See, for I in range 1 to 10, if I is equal to 5, this is the condition, then break the statement. Now let's run it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. First it goes to 1, then it checks the statement. If it is false, the I is printed. See 1. Then same process for the 2, 3 and 4. And coming to 5, if I is equal to 5, the statement is true. Then break is executed. It means the total loop is exited. After 4, there is no other number printed. So it totally breaks the state, that condition. Totally breaks the loop and it comes out of it. Now let's see how to use continue. Continue. It is used to skip the rest of the code inside a loop for the current iteration and move on to the next iteration of the loop. So only current iteration is only exited. Remaining iteration will continue. Let's see the example. See here same example. For I in range 1 to 10, if this condition means if it is an even number, it gives the remainder 0. Then continue. If it is false, then print I. Now let's see example. Um, Now let's run this code using continue statement. See, first I goes to 1. This statement is false. Then I is printed. Take 1. Again 2 inside the loop. Now for 2, this condition is true. So the continue is there executed. Means 2 is skipped and it went to the next iteration. It has been exited totally. But the current iteration is exited. So like this, break and continue statements are used inside the loop. Thank you.